The OAC output contact module can be used to signal the overload pre-alarm PTA, long time delay LTD, short time delay STD, instantaneous INST, and ground fault GF protection alarms and HWF hardware trip system alarms. Before operating, discharge the main springs and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs, push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To remove the ACB front cover, unscrew the 4 screws all around the cover. After that, you can pull on the handle to ease the removal of the cover. Remove the dummy plastic part behind the trip unit by sliding it out. Take the OAC, slide it behind the trip unit. On draw-out version ACB, plug the OAC connectors on the connectors interface in the correct places, indication OAC. Insert a terminal block Type C in the base located on the top of the chassis. Plug it thanks to quarter turns located on the TB label holder. On fixed version ACB, insert the terminal block Type C in the base located on the top of the breaker. Lock it thanks to the holding part with quarter turn screws. Plug the OAC connector on the terminal block interface in the correct place, indication OAC. Put back to the terminal block base. Mount back the connectors interface with quarter turn screws. To put back the front cover of the ACB, pull on the handle to ease the mounting of the cover. Place the cover, screw in the 4 screws. Wire the OAC directly on the terminal block OAC. Respect the electric diagram that is available in the technical documentation for wiring.